In a lush, green jungle, there lived a tiny chameleon named Charlie. He had the unique ability to change his color to match his surroundings. One sunny afternoon, Charlie felt a bit lonely. He wished he had a friend to share his color-changing talents with. As he was pondering, he heard a soft voice nearby. "I wish I could change color like you, Charlie." Curious, Charlie peeked and saw a tiny, shy bird named Trina. She was feeling the same way. Charlie introduced himself and offered to share his secret. Trina was overjoyed and learned how to change her feathers just like Charlie. From that day on, they spent their days exploring the jungle, blending in with the leaves, flowers, and even the occasional rock. They became the best of friends, always finding new ways to surprise each other with their colorful transformations. One day, they were playing near a river when a big, mean snake tried to scare them away. But Charlie and Trina didn't let that spoil their fun. Using their color-changing powers, they turned into the brightest, most beautiful colors the jungle had ever seen. The snake was so dazzled that it slithered away, scared of their stunning display. Their friends in the jungle were amazed and started to call them the color-changing friends. And that's how everyone learned that even though being different can sometimes make you feel lonely, it can also make you special and help you make true friends. As the sun set, Charlie and Trina returned home, feeling happy and proud. They cuddled together, ready for a peaceful night in their colorful jungle home. The end.